Hey guys, Praveen here. Today we are going to update the Tailwind CSS design system in Figma with some insert shadows, and I'm just going to show you how I add variables to my design files and how I publish them to the community. So let's get started. First, we are going to see all the shadows that we have. Okay, so we have shadow from 2xs to 2xl and inner. So I probably don't want inner anymore instead of this. So this is 2 pixels in Y, 4 in blur, and 6 percentage in opacity. So instead of that, I'm gonna change this to insert shadow 2xs, insert shadow xs, and insert shadow sm. So yeah, we already have shadow 2xs to 2xl over here, so I'm just gonna remove this and add some more. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll just add inner shadow. So this is drop inner shadow, and this properties are going to have first is 2xs, so just 2xs over here, and this is going to have insert of 0 1 pixels and 0.05. Got it? So this is just 1 pixels, no blur, and 0.05, if you don't know, will be something like this 5%. Okay, so inner shadow 2xs. Okay, we have that right here. I'll move that to somewhere over here, and we can edit it now. So this should be inner shadow, there should be 1, there should be 0, and this should be 5%. Okay, that looks good. So this 0.05, yes, that's 5%. Okay, now let's move on to xs, which is 1%. This is the blur value, so the blur should be 1. Okay, xs, there should be inner shadow 115. That's done. Next we have sm, which is 2 pixels 4 pixels blur. So this is sm, again inner shadow 2 pixels wide, this should be 5%. So 2 pixels y-axis and 4 pixels blur, 5%. Perfect. Let's create it. Okay, so now we have 2 x's from Tailwind 2 x's, x's again from Tailwind x's, and insert shadow sm. So let's show this in here. Instead of shadow inner, I'll change this to shadow inner x's. So this should be inner shadow x's. We can just copy paste this here. Perfect. Let's copy paste and use inner shadow x's, extra small. Perfect. And of course sm also, so this should be, yes, perfect. So we have shadow none, 2x's to xl, 2x's to 2xl, and we have insert shadow 2x's to insert shadow x's and insert shadow sm. So let's see how this looks. So it's very small, much like, let me just see, yeah, this is 5% black, 5%. Okay, got it. But I can see this a little bit, if you can see it over here, but inside here I'm not seeing much because it's very fade out. The background is also gray here, so that seems to be the problem, but you know, it looks good. So this is insert shadow access. Maybe I can change the background to something white and we can see it. Yeah, now it's much clearer. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so now we added insert shadow here. and that's it. So that's how I add new variables or new colors. You can probably remove this inner. I'll just delete it, duplicate style, delete style. Okay, so now we have separate shadow and inner shadow separately. Perfect. And for publishing, let me share, update community file, and publish update. It's 12 May 25. This editor is very weird. Added insert shadows. Perfect. So yeah, that's it. You can just click on next. You can add up to 5 custom tags. Oh, okay, this is a new thing. I could probably remove color palette, design tokens, even variables I can add, remove, sorry, design system, design tokens, spacing I can remove. 1, 2, 3, design kit fine, design systems fine, design tokens fine, tailwinds fine. That's 4, 5. Maybe I can remove tailwind Figma, tailwind UI, tokens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I can probably remove this. Fine. Okay. Yeah, next and publish. So yeah, that's how you update your community file and publish it to the community. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.